This Unbundled Attorney Mastermind has been so valuable because when you're back at your office and you're a solo, you feel like you're the only person going through what you're going through. But when you come here, you get to talk to other people, you get to get questions answered and get tips on things that you're struggling with and help each other out.
And not only is it a time to pick people's brains and see what's working in their firms, but it's also a time to kind of take a step away from your own firm, rejuvenate, and just enjoy a weekend.
What makes this mastermind retreat so beneficial is that it builds a community of attorneys and people who are like-minded, who have the same goals and aspirations, and are at different stages of their practice. So it really does allow us to learn from each other.
I've been trying to think of ways since coming on board with Unbundled Attorney to handle the volume of leads and calls and new clients, and it's been great to hear how other attorneys are scaling and are handling the increase in work that they're also receiving because of the Unbundled Attorney Network.
It's just been incredible just to have the mind meld, everyone coming together and being kind of on the same plane as far as their compassion to working with individuals, but also being open to new ideas.
The retreat was priceless in countless ways, but the mastermind portion where we had a roundtable session was invaluable, and coming to the retreat was worth it just for that.
So if they do this again, I will definitely be back. I've already made plans and exchanged a lot of information with other attorneys so that we can stay connected beyond this weekend.
I have a whole list of things that I'm going to be discussing with my staff when I get back to the office.
I've learned a lot. I've made great friends. I look forward to seeing them hopefully next year.
Well, I can't wait to come back next year and re-meet all these people and just experience this all over again and learn even more new ideas. I'm very excited about the possibility of coming back next year.